Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks! Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I am here to give you an update on my Pedisafe large toenails. And as you can see, I did a video, it was about a month ago, and up in the left-hand corner is the video running that I did with the Pedisafe kit. And this kit is amazing. If you haven't seen the video, then go ahead and follow the arrow and click it and watch the video. There is links to the Pedisafe kit. And I wanted to update you on these two large toenails that I constructed, and also on the gel polish that I used from the kit too. Now, the large toenails are what I constructed using their builder gel. Okay, and I used a brush to do it. And as most of you know, I don't have large toenails on my big toes. I had them removed. A lot of problems with them, and I'm not going to get into that. But I constructed some toenails. I sculpted them using a brush, using their gel, and this is a 4-week update. I originally did my toenails on March 14th. Today is Friday, April 15th. 4 weeks and 1 day. If you take a look, it's a little bit loose here. Can you see that? And that's after 4 weeks. That's pretty good. All right. Because I am basically sticking this to my skin. So what I'm going to do is eventually tonight or tomorrow, I'm going to just put some nail glue down inside there and push it shut and hold it. And then that should keep me for about another week. But you can look here and see it's lifting a little bit down here by where it would be the cuticle area. You can see that. But no one else will see that unless they get right up next to your toenail. I think they're holding up very well, considering that I have to wear closed-toe shoes right now because it's still cold out. Let's take a look at the other foot. Now, this toenail actually just fell off today. I was just looked down and I had bumped it on the recliner and it just kind of lifted up, didn't hurt or anything. And I was like, oh, darn. So what I did was I took some nail glue and I just glued the toenail back on. That's what you're seeing, is that little bit of white residue glue left. And I think the gel polish is holding really good too. No chips or anything. Like I said, I have to wear closed-toe shoes. And when you wear closed-toe shoes with artificial nails on your nail beds, toes that don't have nails, your feet sweat and they can lift quicker because of sweating, especially in tennis shoes if you're a runner or anything like that. Just closed-toe shoes in general. If you can wear sandals, you can get a lot longer wear. But I'm pretty impressed. I mean, that's 4 weeks, and if I glue them down, I'm probably going to get another week, about 5 weeks I'll get out of that. So that's a pretty good wear. So if you haven't seen the video, please be sure and watch the video. And I believe there's discount code for this kit. And they never even asked me to do an update. I'm doing the update because I'm impressed. Yeah, and right here I'm just putting a little cuticle oil down just to take away that dry glue look, and it'll help that glue peel off faster. But anyways, yeah, they did not ask me to do an update. I'm doing it because I really like the product and I'm really impressed by it. Now remember, I don't have a toenail on my two large toes. It's just skin, nail bed, okay? And I'm impressed that it lasted 4 weeks. But if you have a toenail or half a toenail or some sort of toenail left on your toe, then you might get longer wear. I don't know, but I'm pretty impressed with this because out of all the toenails that I do acrylic, polygel, and builder gel. On me, with having no nail, it seems that builder gels are the ones that usually lift within a week. And I got 4 weeks out of this, so I'm impressed. Hey. But anyways, that's it. Just wanted to give you an update. And today is Good Friday. I hope you had a wonderful, blessed, Good Friday, and Easter is coming on Sunday. So I want you to have a safe, peaceful, and blessed Easter. Thank you so much for being here and watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.